Hello, beautiful people. It is your girl Albie here, and today I wanted to share with you a little bit of cleaning that I did in our master bedroom. Ever since the refresh we did in the fall, I've made little changes here and there, but what makes the most difference in our bedroom is the way that I'm able to kind of like speed clean it or speed tidy it, and I'm not just referencing the actual speed of the video. So in this video, you'll see how I basically change the sheets practically on a weekly basis and just quickly tidy up the bedroom so that with really minimal effort, it doesn't look like it's in shambles. And I'll also be sharing with you some hacks that I use to kind of really make it effortless because I can get pretty lazy, which I'm sure all of you can relate to at some point or another. On the blog, I share kind of a full breakdown of my lazy hacks. So this video is just kind of like a visual breeze through. Be sure to head over to albieknows.design to get the full blog post. Otherwise, I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks again for hanging out with me again. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'd like to see, whether it's more cleaning, more hacks, or just kind of something else altogether. I would love to know. But thank you again for hanging out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.